Hiya everyone, so today is an exciting video. Today is normally Revolution, so this is a Revolution advent calendar. Oh, I blinded you. So this is a Revolution advent calendar. Normally Revolution do a few different advent calendars, and normally they have one that is exclusive to Superdrug. This one I bought from Superdrug. It costs £40, so normally they'll have one that looks similar to this but will have a few different products which they'll sell on their website in Boots, and normally the one on Superdrug's slightly different. I don't know if that's going to be the same this year, but this is the Revolution Magical Advent Calendar from Superdrug. This costs £40 and I've just worked it out. So £1.66 a day, and we're just going to unbox it, and anyways we're just going to get right into it. So day number 1, let's set her back here. Day number 1 is a blush bomb. So this is a blusher. This is what it looks like here. It looks like a liquid blusher, so that's nice, something different. I don't know, this normally sometimes you get their products that they sell, so I haven't really followed Revolution much this year. I haven't been buying makeup this year. So is this a product they sell, or is this being made for the advent calendar? So this is what it looks like there, and I'm just going to blend it out. Oh, that's really nice. And I'm actually wearing, I don't know whether you can tell, but I'm wearing a Revolution liquid blush today, just very faintly. One that we got in last year's advent calendar, actually. So that is that there. I'm quite excited about that. So, and just in case you can't really tell, I'm very fairly, this is what I'm wearing. This Revolution Super Dewy liquid blush in the shade Flushing For You. And we got this in last year's advent calendar. This is day number 1. We want day number 2, which is this one here. I'm guessing a mirror from the size, and you know they don't do with the mirrors all the time. Oh, not a mirror. This is Revolution in Golden Girl, and this is a Silk Touch Illuminator, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, I don't really wear highlighter, but I love the packaging. I love everything on this, to be honest. It's really pretty. Love that clicking. Day number 3 is this one here. Are we going to have that all advent calendar fall on us? Right, let's have a look. We have got one of their, like, these used to be like their core lipsticks. They would cost like £1. We have got one of their lipsticks in White Wedding, and this is what it looks like. These used to cost £1. They were fab back in the day. I've had a million lipsticks, but if you haven't, and like if you're trying to start out your collection, I think that's a fab day. And obviously makeups went up since they used to be £1, you know what I mean? So that was day number 3. Day number 4 is here. We have got something like, at least they're snugly in, so you know they're hopefully not going to get broken. We have got the Raise the Bar highlighter. So we're on the second highlighter and we're only 4 days in. I'm not sure how I feel about that, especially because I feel like highlighter's had its day a little bit, you know. But that is it there. It looks so stunning. I'm just too old for highlighter. I feel like it makes me look, I just don't like the way it looks on me. So that's day number 4. We want day number 5, which is here. Little skinny ones, so maybe some tweezers. No, it's not. We have got a eyeliner pencil, and I think it is in white. I think it hasn't got a name or anything, but yeah, like a white eyeliner pencil. A lot of people use these like under their eyes to make their eyes look more awake and stuff like that, and I think that's a fab little product. That is day number 5. We're on day number 6, which is here. Feels heavy. Feels heavy. That's good. We have got something that looks stunning. Look at that. How pretty is that? This is a lip gloss, but I mean, it's a shimmer bomb lip gloss. I'm sorry, but this is stunning. I have to swatch this. This is gorgeous. I haven't got a lip gloss like this, and I need it in my life for Christmas. Oh, I love that day. That up to now is my favourite day, and that's day number 6. Favourite day up to now. We want day number 7, which is here. Let's have a look. Here, when we see this thing, oh, it's an alright one though. It's an alright brush. It's actually a styler brush I would use. It's just like an eyeshadow brush, but it's not like a weird shape or anything like that. Yeah, that's good. It feels nice quality as well. And normally the brushes are quite nice quality when you get the proper brushes. So that was 7. We want day number 8, which is another, go on here. Oh, we're falling on with. Feels heavy again. And day number 8 is another shimmer. It's the eye shimmer, and this is a liquid shimmer. How pretty is this? How stunning is that? This is what it looks like. Yeah. It's quite chunky. I say that. It's quite chunky. Can you see? But when you blend it out, sorry, but look at that. Look at that. I'm sorry. Oh, gorgeous. That was day number 8. So we want day number 9, which is this longer one here. So I feel like all this section is going to come down on us. Quite a chunky one and all. So let's see what this is. We have got, oh, it's another lipstick. By the looks of it. Yeah, another lipstick, and this is in Icon Nude. Again, that £1 style lipstick they used to do, but I don't know whether they still sell these as a product actually, or are these even like a product they still like, do they still sell these as a product? And I don't think they would be £1 if they did, but that is what they said. That is day number 9 anyways. So we want day number 10, which is this long skinny one here, which isn't giving me hope for anything, to be honest. Like, it's not. So we'll see. Yeah, I'm thinking it's one of that brush that I really don't like, that we normally get every year. Got a funny feeling. No, it's not. It's a different brush. It looks like a one where you pack on colour in the corner or something like that. Quite nice. An alright day. And the quality looks nice enough as well. Day number 11, which is this one here. We have got, what have we got? We have got a powder blush in the shade Ballerina. What a pretty pink shade that is. Really pink. If you like a dusky pink, I feel like you would like this. This is definitely like a dusky pink. Really quite nice. Good size product as well. So that was day number 11. And day number 12, which is this one here. Ooh, it's quite like it goes long in. Like it's got a bit of depth to it. Oh, we got something like this last year, but this year is the banana powder. Last year we got the lace powder, and I love it. I use it all the time, so I'm quite happy about trying the banana powder. I'm just looking. Have any of you used the banana powder? Is it dark for pale shades before I start using it? But yeah, I'm looking at that and thinking that might be a bit dark for me. But I'm excited because I know that's a product they sell in their actual product line, which I like to receive. So yeah, I'm really happy with day number 12. So we want day number 13, which is this one here. We've got our first like lip gloss in like this style tube. I love the packaging on this. Quite like the shade as well. It's not a bad shade at all. Yeah, so good little day, full size and all. We want 14, which is up here. We have got a stiletto lip liner. This is gorgeous. Love a brown nude. I love a brown nude. I haven't wore a brown nude in ages, but how much could you make like a nice 90s lip with that? Oh, love that. Absolutely love it. And it is definitely a lip liner as well, which is fab. I'm so excited about that. I do love a brown nude on my lips. I haven't worn them in ages, but I'm starting to wear them again. So that's 14. We want 15, which is this one. Yeah. It's go. We have got another blush, and wow, look at this. Is it a blush? It is a blush. Wow. This is a cream blush, so it probably isn't as pigmented as this. I thought it was a powder blush, but it's not. It's a cream blush. So it would probably be a little bit more fainter than that. But wow, I was like, oof, that's quite bright when I was thinking it was a powder brush. So that's 15. Went to number 16, which is, yeah, I'm guessing maybe a sponge. Oh no, look how skinny it is. It can't be a sponge. Oh, it is! It is! It's a little sponge. I love a little sponge. I love getting them. I never use them, but I always love getting them. I think they're so cute. I just didn't think it was going to fit in that little box there. We want 17. I'm guessing the mirror. Normally in this bottom corner is the mirror, and it's normally the worst day, and I'm right. It is the mirror. Why are they still putting this in? Have they not listened to any of us? I know sometimes, like the first time you get it, it's good, but they put it in every year. You know, like it's canny to have a mirror. But no, I'm sorry. For those of you who love the mirror, I'm sorry, but no. Make it a better mirror and maybe, but no. I mean, still though, I can't complain. The advent calendar has been amazing. You know, every day has been a product. Nothing's been a filler day. So you can't complain in that sense. So we want day number 18, which is this one. Yeah. We got another lipstick, I think. Oh no. Oh, this looks nice. Ooh. Yeah, this is the Glaze Lip Oil. This looks gorgeous. I've heard so many things about the lip oils. Oh my god, it smells like cherries. Oh, it feels nice. Yeah, I'm excited about that. I'm so excited about that. I've heard so many good things about the Revolution lip oils, so I'm hoping it's like the same formula as their proper product line. That was 18, nearly one of my favourite days. We went 19, which is this one here. I think I know what this is. Yes. I'm so excited about this. I'm so excited to have this in my life. I've still, because I got a few last year in the advent calendars, and obviously I had other ones, like cheaper brand ones, but I use this morning. Can you see? I use their powder puff all the time. So I'm so excited to have a pink one. I don't know whether, I mean, granted, this has been used a lot, but just so excited. Thank you so much. So excited to have that in my life. Yeah, something I'll use all the time. And that was my last one left from last year's advent calendar. I think I got 3 from advent calendars out in box last year. That was my last one left. So 19. We want day number 20, which is this one here. Let's have a look. What are you? We have got an eyeliner pencil, so it'll most likely be in black, I would think. Yeah, a black eyeliner pencil, and that is it there. Just a standard pencil, black eyeliner pencil. We want 21, which we're coming to the end. Right, 21 is this one here. Let's have a look. Feels heavy, but it's small. Like it's not a big product, but it feels like heavy for the size. We've got something in a tube. Right. Oh, we've got a brow gel. This is what it looks like. Yeah. It's got a decent size little spoolie on it, to be honest. Like not too small, but not too big. Right. Just smells like brow gel. Alright, okay then. Like I say, I don't know, like I said in previous videos, I can't remember the last time I had to buy brow gel because I've normally got enough clear brow gels to last me the year. So that's 21. We're on 22, which is this one here. I don't need a lot from a brow gel though. Right, 22. We've got a beautiful chocolatey brown lip gloss, which would probably go lovely with that lip liner if you wore glossy lips. I wear like a cream lip. Not very much of a big glossy lip person unless I've got my hair up, which is not very often. So that's 22. we want 23. Got a Queen lip liner, so I'm sure this is it in different packaging. This is what it looks like. Wow, that is one pale lip liner. That is, yeah, that is a pale lip liner, but that is 23. Last but not least is day number 24, which is this little one in the bottom corner. It's not very big, it's just a nice little size. Let's see what we get. I think like quad or something. We are getting a little 6-pan eyeshadow, and I'm not going to lie, but it's a mini reloaded palette, but this is like the perfect size eyeshadow palette for me. I hate a massive eyeshadow palette, so I love that. It's just a nice little size that you can fit in your makeup bag. You could put it in your handbag if you were going out. Love that. And it's just got the right amount of shimmer shades and matte shades, in my opinion. Yeah, I think that's really nice. And I think they're getting on with the trends that people are starting to prefer a smaller eyeshadow palette than a larger one. That is the Superdrug Revolution Advent Calendar. It costs £40. And I'm not going to lie, like, I'm quite shocked. I think this is, if you like all Revolution brands, I think this is a fab little one. I've just not long unboxed the Profusion one. That was £30. That was so good. So it's really depending on like what your budget is, but both are really good in their own right. I like that this has got a lot of their like quite a few of their products that they actually sell, like the powder puff, the banana powder. I'm so excited about that lip oil. There's quite a few products in here that I'm going to be keeping for myself, which doesn't happen a lot these days. I use a lot as gifts for my niece and stuff. And yeah, I'm really impressed with this. For £40, I do not think it's bad at all. Especially because working out at £1 something a day. Not a lot in it, really. And you can't get a lot for money these days. I'm not going to lie. Like, honestly, I was in Primark the other day and a t-shirt was £13. For a Primark t-shirt. And I was like, for a Primark t-shirt? And it wasn't now fancy. It was just a basic t-shirt. And I was like, But yeah, so in my opinion, I don't think this is bad. I definitely think this is good for an older teenager, even an older adult, like a young adult, and me, to be honest. So there you go, and I'm in my 30s. So I think this is a good one. I'm really happy with this Advent Calendar. What do you guys think of it? Please let me know down below. Let me know if you have tried the banana powder, if you're pale, and is it worth me giving a go? And my cat's come to say hello to me, so I'm going to let you go. But if you haven't already, I would love to be subscribed down below, and if you I do lots of these type of videos, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.